Objective World is a young startup company that was founded 2 years ago. The idea was actually originated from our CEO, Dr. Peter Key, who is actually a structural engineer with more than 25 years of experience in the construction industry. Now, he was actually frequently frustrated with the inefficiencies in the industry that are largely caused by the fragmentation of information. This usually leads to data redundancy and wastage, unproductive project collaboration, and prevent practical reuse of project information throughout the building life cycle.
I am a software R&D engineer at Objective World. Most of the time, I need to think of creative and innovative solutions to solve challenging problems.
I'm a software architect in Objective World. I'm currently work on the core technology framework that drive our products. I enjoy developing software since I was small. Working in the Objective World gives me a great joy of working on cutting-edge technology to research and development the future innovation in IT and immersive 3D technologies.
We had chosen Microsoft as our core technology platform. Why? That's because the diverse technologies that Microsoft offers have the capacity of supporting our vision. And not only that, its tools also makes our development a lot easier and more enjoyable. Microsoft Innovation Centers help us further to springboard our idea into implementation by supporting us with the necessary resources, which has significantly shortened our time to market. At Microsoft Innovation Center, we are grateful to have the first-hand exposure to the latest technologies that can dramatically improve our product marketability.
Our product utilizes a wide array of technology that range from mainstream web technology to a specialized technology like 3D visualizations and business intelligence. Microsoft has provided us the necessary fundamental technologies to kickstart our development. For example, we leverage a lot on Microsoft DirectX and the Renaissance window for presentations foundations to support our visualization functionality. .NET Rerouting and web services have enabled us to create a fully distributed and a scalable system. We also deliver our solution as a smart client in order to reach a wider audience.
I like the environment and atmosphere here. It's flexible and comfortable. Exploring new things, debugging, mid-due date is such a pressure work. But who do not have work pressure? I do have work pressure, but I do it in pleasure.
We still have a long way to go before we achieve our vision, but nevertheless, I think we are very proud of our achievements so far. During the early stage, our idea was actually awarded pre-seed funding for further development into a proof of concept. That time, we already celebrated our success, even though it's a small success. Now, a few months ago, we had actually sold our solution to our first client in the Middle East region. That time, only the core functionalities of our product are completed. Now, if you think about it, how great it is when you have a real customer that can already appreciate your solution and buy it from you even before it is fully completed.
Working in a company that is part of the Microsoft Innovation Center is great, as we are small, but agile, flexible, and no red tape culture. And sure, we get to utilize the latest Microsoft technology at first hand and for free.
Everything is amazing. I can say that I able to do amazing things with very little effort. In terms of user experience, the user interface component in .NET and the recent Windows Presentation Foundation have enabled us to have a consistent and professional look and feel production.
Our flagship product, the XD Building Conceptualizer, is targeted for building architects and designers who are frustrated with the long and tedious process during the early conceptual design phase. Now, XD Building Conceptualizer is actually a conceptual design software that allows the users to save their design time by using a set of what we call reusable intelligent conceptual models. Now, unlike other CAD software, which are general purpose and solely built for detailed design drafting software, XD Conceptualizer, the intelligent conceptual models of it, can actually manage client requirements, design rules, pricing models, along with a set of powerful analysis tools that is solely for conceptual design. To me, I think entrepreneurship is a long marathon. And to me, it does not begin with the first step, but it starts with a decision in your mind to undertake this life's journey. Its success does not really rely on your talents, but I believe it's more on your personalities. It's challenging, no doubt, risky, yes, and potentially run you right out of business. But think about it, it's definitely a lot more fun to be able to follow your guts and do what you like to do, isn't it? For all graduating students out there, I encourage you to start your entrepreneurship journey today. You're gifted with youth, wild ideas, and lots of enthusiasm.